Decentralized finance, or DeFi, is changing the way we think about money and banking. Unlike traditional finance, DeFi operates without central authorities or banks. It uses blockchain technology to create transparent, open financial systems. Anyone with an internet connection can access DeFi platforms worldwide. DeFi offers services like lending, borrowing, trading, and earning interest. This new system removes middlemen, reducing costs and increasing speed. DeFi also promotes financial inclusion for those without access to banks. In this video, we'll explore what DeFi is and how it works simply and clearly. You'll learn why DeFi is important and how it could reshape the future of finance. From decentralized exchanges to yield farming, DeFi is full of innovation. We'll break down key concepts so beginners can understand easily. Whether you're curious or ready to try DeFi, this guide is for you. Get ready to dive into the world of decentralized finance today. Stay tuned as we explain each part step by step. By the end, you'll have a solid grasp of DeFi basics. Understanding DeFi is the first step towards smarter financial decisions. So, let's begin our journey into decentralized finance right now. Don't forget to watch till the end for tips on getting started safely. If you enjoy learning about crypto and finance, please like and subscribe. Let's get started and unlock the power of DeFi together. 1. What is DeFi? DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance, a system built on blockchain technology that removes intermediaries. It allows people to access financial services without traditional banks or middlemen involved. Transactions happen directly between users through smart contracts coded on blockchains. This makes DeFi open to anyone with internet access, no matter their location or status. DeFi platforms offer loans, savings, trading, and insurance in a transparent, trustless way. By cutting out middlemen, DeFi lowers costs and speeds up financial processes for users. 2. How DeFi works. DeFi uses blockchain smart contracts that automatically execute financial transactions when conditions are met. Smart contracts remove the need for a trusted third party by using code to enforce agreements fairly. All transactions are recorded on public blockchains like Ethereum, making them transparent and immutable. Users connect their crypto wallets to DeFi apps to interact with various financial services directly. Because it's decentralized, no single entity controls the system, reducing risks of censorship or failure. This trustless environment gives users full control over their assets at all times. 3. Popular DeFi applications. Decentralized exchanges, DEX, let users trade cryptocurrencies directly without intermediaries or TYC. Lending platforms allow users to borrow or lend crypto and earn interest without banks. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to stable assets, providing less volatile options for trading. Yield farming lets users earn rewards by providing liquidity to DeFi protocols. Insurance in DeFi protects users from risks like smart contract failures or hacks. All these applications are accessible via web or mobile apps globally. 4. Benefits of DeFi. DeFi offers greater financial inclusion, letting anyone participate regardless of bank access or credit history. Transactions are faster and cheaper than traditional banking and payment systems. Users maintain control of their funds, reducing the risk of fraud or mismanagement. DeFi is open source, encouraging innovation and constant improvements by the global community. Transparency builds trust because anyone can verify transactions and code on public blockchains. Decentralized governance allows users to vote on updates and future changes to protocols. 5. Risks of DeFi. DeFi is still new and can have bugs or vulnerabilities in smart contracts, risking users' funds. Price volatility in cryptocurrencies can cause significant gains or losses quickly. Regulatory uncertainty means governments may create rules that affect how DeFi operates. Some DeFi projects might be scams or poorly designed, so research is essential before investing. Users must keep private keys safe, as losing access means losing all funds permanently. Despite risks, DeFi's potential continues to attract users seeking more control and opportunity. 6. How to get started with DeFi. To use DeFi, start by setting up a compatible crypto wallet like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Fund your wallet with cryptocurrency, usually Ethereum or stablecoins, depending on the platform. Choose a DeFi app such as a decentralized exchange or lending platform to begin interacting. Connect your wallet securely, then follow the app's instructions to lend, borrow, or trade. Start with small amounts to learn the process and avoid large losses during your first steps. Always double-check contract addresses and use trusted apps to minimize risk. 7. Understanding smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing code on blockchains that automate agreements and transactions. They work without intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency in financial deals. The code triggers actions when preset conditions are met, like releasing funds or updating balances. Once deployed, smart contracts can't be changed, ensuring trust and transparency in DeFi. However, faulty code can cause issues, so only use well-reviewed and audited contracts. Smart contracts form the backbone of all DeFi applications and services today. 8. DeFi is traditional finance. Traditional finance relies on banks and intermediaries to manage money and transactions. DeFi replaces these middlemen with decentralized networks and code, offering peer-to-peer services. While traditional finance can be slow and expensive, DeFi is often faster and cheaper. DeFi is accessible worldwide, even for people without bank accounts or credit history. However, DeFi requires users to manage their own security, unlike regulated banks. Both systems have pros and cons, and DeFi is still evolving to improve usability and safety. 9. The future of DeFi. DeFi is growing fast, attracting billions in investments and a rising number of users globally every day. Developers focus on improving scalability to handle more transactions quickly and securely for everyone. Security upgrades aim to protect users from hacks and vulnerabilities as the technology evolves. User experience improvements make DeFi platforms easier to use for beginners and experts alike. Integration with traditional finance could lead to hybrid systems that combine both decentralized and centralized benefits. Decentralized governance allows users to vote and influence how DeFi protocols develop in the future. As DeFi matures, it has the potential to disrupt banks, payment systems, and lending markets worldwide. Learning about DeFi now positions you ahead in this exciting and rapidly changing financial revolution. 10. Tips for safe DeFi use. Always research any DeFi platform carefully before you commit your funds or share personal information online. Use wallets that have strong security features, like two-factor authentication, to protect your crypto assets. Never share your private keys with anyone, as this can lead to permanent loss of your funds and access. Start with small investments to learn how DeFi works, then increase your exposure as you gain experience. Keep your wallet and app software up to date to protect yourself from security vulnerabilities and bugs. Be very cautious of phishing links, suspicious emails, or fake apps designed to steal your private info. Consider using hardware wallets to store large amounts of crypto safely offline and away from hackers. Stay informed about the latest DeFi news and community updates to identify and avoid potential risks early. Thanks for watching our beginner's guide to decentralized finance, or DeFi, explained simply. If you learned something new today, please like this video to show your support. Subscribe to our channel for more crypto and blockchain tutorials and updates. Hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload fresh, easy-to-understand content. Leave your questions or topic suggestions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. DeFi is an exciting world full of potential, and now you're ready to explore it safely. Keep learning and always be cautious with your investments as you dive deeper. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.